Welcome student in another session of biology, chapter 8, cell, the unit of life. Cell is a fundamental structural and function unit of all living organisms. It was discovered by Robert Hooke, and the first living cell was observed by Anton von Leeuwenhoek. The invention of compound in electron microscope revealed the structures, details of cell. So microscopes are responsible for the detailed study of cell. Then came the cell theory, which was formulated by Skildon and Skivan. Malthius Skildon observed that plant cells are composed of cells. Theodor Skivan in 1839 reported that cells had a thin outer layer, that is plasma membrane. He also found that plant cells have cell wall. So he proposed a hypothesis that animals and plant cells are composed of cells and product of cells. Rudolf Virchow in 1855, he added one more point to the cell theory and he modified the cell theory. So the statements of modern cell theory are all living organisms are composed of cells and products of cells, and all living cells arises from pre-existing cell. A cell contains cytoplasm and ribosome. These are the common things that are present in both the type of cell, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Cytoplasm is a semi-fluid matrix where cellular activities and chemical reactions occurs. This keeps the cell in living state. Whereas ribosomes, they are non-membrane bound organelles found in cytoplasm, chloroplast, mitochondria, and on rough endoplasmic reticulum. The smallest cell is mycoplasma, which is about 0.3 micrometer in length, and the largest isolated single cell is the egg of ostrich. The longest cell is nerve cell, and the size of bacteria is about 3 to 5 micrometer. Human RBC diameter is 7 micrometer. Based on the function, shapes of cell may be disc-like, polygonal, columnar, cuboidal, thread-like, or irregular. Cells are of two types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So now we will study the detailed about prokaryotic cells, the characteristics of prokaryotic cell. They have no membrane bound organelle and nucleus. So nucleus and membrane bound organelles are absent in it. Prokaryotes include bacteria, blue-green algae, mycoplasma, PPL. They are generally smaller and multiply more rapidly than comparing to the eukaryotic cell, and the size and shape varies. There are basically four types of shape: bacillus, which is rod-like in structure; coccus, which is spherical in structure; vibrio, which is comma shape; and spirillum, which is spiral in shape. The cell organelles that are present in prokaryotic cell are cell envelope, mesosome or chromatophores, nucleoid, flagella, pili and fimbriae, ribosomes, and inclusion bodies. Here you can see these are the inclusion bodies that are present. Apart from it, they have plasmids as well, and capsule, which is a cell envelope. First, start with the cell envelope. It is chemically complex protective covering. It is made up of three tightly bound layers. Number one is glycocalyx, number two is cell wall, and third one is plasma membrane. Glycocalyx is the outermost layer, which is the composition. Its composition and thickness varies from bacteria to bacteria. And it may be slimy in layer, that is loosely sheathed, or capsulated, which are thick and tough. The second layer envelope is the cell wall, which is the middle layer. It is seen in all prokaryotes and it gives shape to the cell and provides a structural support to prevent the bacterium from bursting or collapsing. The third envelope is plasma membrane, which is inner layer, and it is semi-permeable in nature that allows to interact the bacteria with the outer environment. This is structurally similar to that of the eukaryotic cell. Based on the type of cell envelopes and response to the Gram staining, bacteria are of two types. Christian Gram, he developed a Gram staining method. Accordingly, bacteria are divided into two parts, Gram positive and the Gram negative. Gram positive are those bacteria which take up the Gram stain, and Gram negative are those bacteria which cannot take up the Gram stain. As you can see on your screen, that E. coli is Gram negative because it doesn't take purple or the violet Gram crystal violet color, and it's stained pink in color. So the pink color bacteria are Gram negative and the purple or the bluish color bacteria are the Gram positive. The second organelle is mesosome, which is chromatophores. Mesosome, it is formed by the infolding of plasma membrane. It includes vesicles, tubules, and lamella. The function of mesosome is for cell wall formation. Second one is it helps in DNA replication. Then it allows the distribution of chromosomes to daughter cells. It is also required for respiration and secretion. It increases the surface area for plasma membrane for any kind of enzyme activity. Chromatophores, these are the pigmented organelles. These organelles contain pigment. Examples you can see in the cyanobacteria or purple bacteria. So they have the chromatophore which impart color to them. The third organelle is nucleoid. It is formed of non-membranous circular genomic DNA and proteins. Many bacteria have small circular DNA which is known as a plasmid outside the genomic material, and it gives a unique characteristic, phenotypic characteristic to the bacteria. For example, if plasmid is present in the bacteria may become resistant to the antibiotics, different kind of antibiotics, or physical other kind of unfavorable condition. The fourth cell organelle is flagella. These are thin filamentous extensions from the cell wall of motile bacteria. Their number and arrangements are varied in different bacteria. So in all the bacteria, number of flagella are absent and the arrangement is also different. Bacterial flagellum has three parts. As you can see on the screen, the right extreme right down, it has three parts: basal, filament, and the hook. The filament is the longest portion and extends from the cell surface to outside, and that help in locomotion. Then comes the pili and fimbriae. These are the surface structures that have no role in motility. Pili, in singular we call it as pillars, are elongated tubular structures. They are made of special proteins which are known as pillin. On the other hand, fimbriae are small bristle-like structures, fibers sprouting out of the cell. In some bacteria, they help to attach the bacteria to the rock in streams and to the host tissue. So the main function of pili and fimbriae is to attach with the host cell. The sixth organelle is ribosome. They are associated with plasma membrane of prokaryotes. The ribosome of prokaryote is different from the eukaryote. As you can see on the screen, prokaryotic ribosome is 70 S and eukaryotic ribosome is 80 S. They are about 50 nanometer by 20 nanometer in size. They are made up of two subunits. One is 30 and the one is 50, but together it forms 70 S subunit. The function of ribosome is, ribosome are the site of translation. What is translation? It is a protein synthesis from RNA. Several ribosomes may attach to a single mRNA and it gives the structure of polysome that is there on your screen. So single mRNA is there, but there are many ribosomes that are attached to it and it gives the structure of polysome. Ribosomes of a polysome translate the mRNA into protein. So the function of ribosome is to translate the mRNA, the one mRNA that is present will be transcripted into polypeptide chain, that is protein chain. And the last organelle of prokaryotic cell is inclusion bodies. These are many membranous stored reserve materials seen freely in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell. So usually this inclusion body, the function is to store the reserve material. Examples of inclusion body are phosphate granules, cyanophysi granules, and glycogen granules, as well as gas granules. There are etc. There are different types of inclusion bodies present in prokaryotic cell. Gas vacuoles are found in blue-green algae and purple and green photosynthetic bacteria, because usually when they perform the photosynthesis, they release the oxygen and they trap the carbon dioxide. So they require gas vacuole for the purpose of photosynthesis. So that was it about the prokaryotic cell. Thanks for watching.